So there's a number of people who were credited or not credited, like Sarah Good, who
Yes.
came up, who was recognized as the fourth African American black woman to be granted a U.S. patent. And we talked about that last week. But she was from Chicago, and she created the folding cabinet bed. So that's where the design of the Murphy beds and all of them kind of thrive from, and it improved on
Yes.
that design because she knew that there was a lack of space in apartments and
What?
everything that was in the black communities.
Hmm. Hmm.
So, and that was back in 1885.
Well, what's the name you consider that? A woman in STEM. What's the sister name? I hate that. I forgot her name.
Oh man.
That invented the iron comb, the straight comb.
Sarah Boone.
Yeah, yeah. Would she be considered that?
Yeah, because with the ironing board and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when we talk about, because they were doing the work, they tried to make their jobs a lot easier and more effective and efficient. They saw a problem, they looked to solve it. That's what that's what these inventors and technology innovators do.
Yeah.
So being able to kind of just tap into that, and understand that. So those are some of the trailblazers who from the past, but like we want to kind of get more into the modern individuals who are kind of setting and making waves within the STEM and STEAM fields. One who took it upon herself to develop an organization is Kimberly Bryant, who developed Black Girls Code.